happy holidays, happy new year. I hope you all are having a fantastic holiday season. But today in this video, we are going to cover how to earn free Bitcoin or Ethereum or US dollar stablecoin equivalent. And let's just jump right into it. Okay, so there's this company called BlockFi, BlockFi.com. If you go to their website and check them out, basically what they do is they pay you to put cryptocurrencies or have a US dollar equivalent in stablecoin. They pay you interest every single month. It's an annual percentage yield. I believe they pay you 6% on any Bitcoin deposits. I believe it's up to 8.6% on US dollar stablecoin deposits. And they pay it out every month, so it can compound throughout the year. So if you just simply deposit your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, I think they might do Litecoin and one or two others, as well as if you have cash, you can deposit cash or convert your cash to USDC and then send over USDC. But as long as you're holding it as USDC, which is a US dollar stable coin, you can earn interest on this money that compounds monthly. It's pretty neat. It's a way to basically not only get returns from Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency appreciating in value, but just from keeping it in a BlockFi account. Now, you might be thinking this is crazy. How can they just be paying you free Bitcoin and Ethereum every single month? The way that they're doing this is that they're loaning out Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever it is to somebody else. So there's a lot of hedge funds that might, look at a market neutral strategy. So they're long as much Bitcoin as they're short, for example, if they're finding hedging opportunities. Or they just want to short Bitcoin, for example. So they might have to borrow Bitcoin, short it in the open market, and that's where BlockFi is able to generate these returns. They will charge a higher interest rate for those things, or even loans, and then they pay a lower interest rate out to you, who's getting the interest on your Bitcoin. So obviously, if you only have, 0.02 Bitcoin, you're not going to loan this out to somebody for a 9% interest rate, because somebody might want to borrow larger amounts, for example, an institutional investor. But by going through a medium like BlockFi, you can still generate extra Bitcoin every single month that then is compounded. That interest just compounds on that same amount. And you're able to basically just earn free extra Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever it is you're holding there in your account. So it's a really neat way to generate some extra premium on top of whatever holdings you might have. That way, if Bitcoin goes down, you end up with more still. If it goes up, you end up with more, and it's just sort of a win-win all around. Now, I would also say do your own research, look into BlockFi on your own if you are comfortable putting your assets there. I have already moved actually some Litecoin. I always start on a small scale, move up from there. So I actually moved over 3 Litecoin. They're sitting there. It's already started accumulating interest. So usually I'll just see how that goes. After a little bit of time, I'll probably move a little bit of Bitcoin over to the account as well, start accumulating a little bit of interest there. But in my mind, why not, right? As long as you deem them a reputable company. I believe they work with Gemini to do some of their custodian stuff. So Gemini, obviously a very well-known exchange with the Winklevoss twins. So for me, I feel pretty confident in them. However, I don't want to speak for anybody else or for BlockFi. I have no affiliation with them. All I know is you can earn up to 6% on the first 2.5 Bitcoin that you deposit, and then anything over that, you get 3%. And then with US dollar stablecoin or USDC deposits, you get 8.6% yield. So unlike the savings accounts at like Wells Fargo and Capital One, where you might get like, 0.04%, BlockFi is paying out 6% on Bitcoin deposits and 8.6% on USDC at the time of filming. Now, obviously, I'll throw all the rates up on the screen so you can see them, but it is a neat way to generate some extra yield. And well, who doesn't like some extra Bitcoin in their account? So if you want to earn some free Bitcoin, consider moving some of your assets into a BlockFi account. You obviously don't have to do all of it. You could just do some of it, earn a little bit of kicker interest, and well, hopefully it'll be a good new year. But if you guys are enjoying these videos, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. Would really appreciate it. But until the next one, thanks for watching.